Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Wednesday the 13th of January 2016, and we're briefly covering the issue of the recent slump in oil prices and its effect on Russia. Yesterday, we produced a video highlighting that Brent Crude fell as low as $30.43 a barrel, and that we expected it to fall further. Well, today it actually fell below the $30 mark to $29.96 and marginally recovered to $30.22. With oil prices now having fallen some 70% over the past 15 months, we ask, what sort of effect has this had on Russia? Taxes from oil and gas represent approximately 50% of the Russian government's revenue. It is believed by many that, knowing this, Saudi Arabia and the Western powers are deliberately reducing oil prices in order to punish Russia, where perhaps sanctions have only had a limited effect. Whether this is the case or not, it is no secret that officials in the Kremlin are extremely worried. Dimitry Medvedev, Russia's prime minister, warned today that falling oil prices could force his country to revise its 2016 budget, which incidentally was only announced last October, but was based on a $50 a barrel oil price. Reuters have reported that government departments have been ordered to cut spending by 10% for the second year running. The Russian Minister of Finance has said that their new budget should be revised to assume an oil price of $40 a barrel, while the Economy Minister warned that Russia faced a long period of low commodity prices, with oil at $15 or $20 a barrel. In fact, the BBC has quoted him as saying today, and we quote, "The biggest risk is that there will be low prices for a long time. That is, for years, for decades," unquote. Whilst most analysts do not agree that such low prices will last that long, they certainly agree that very low prices are indeed quite likely over the coming year, with Morgan Stanley predicting $20 oil, Royal Bank of Scotland predicting $16 oil, and Standard Chartered Bank predicting a crash down to $10 a barrel. With the Russian finance minister stating that the Russian budget could only be balanced at an oil price of $82 a barrel, and his colleagues creating a budget based on $40, whilst others predict prices may fall to perhaps half of that, there is no doubt that Russia has more pain to come. Russian interest rates are currently standing at 11%, and inflation at 15%, though it is hoped that it will fall to 4% by next year. With its balance of trade for October showing a surplus of $10 billion, though higher than August and September, it is considerably lower than all of the preceding months for 2015. It shall be interesting to see if Russia will continue to maintain its gold purchasing at the same rate as previous months, and to see how their economy fares over the first half of 2016. For interest, gold is currently standing at $1,000.95, up some 0.7% on the day, and silver is currently back over the $14 level, standing at $14.16, up around 1%. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative. And if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website regularly at www.illuminatisilver.com. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.